a special episode of Cooking with Roon Jr. We are going to be cooking crescent rolls, and say screwy, say Louie. So we're going to be cooking a screwy Louie, and we're going to be making some coffee, say coffee. And then we're going to be making some fruit. Say fruit. Alright. Well, first thing we got to do is you got to heat the oven to 350. Can you say 3? Does that say 350? Alright. So push this button. Push it hard. Alright, so green light means it's ready to put it in the oven. Say hot. It's hot. 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 Alright, and we gotta put it in for, say, hold on. What does that say? It says 9 to 12 minutes. So let's put it in for 10 minutes. Push timer. This one. Oh, that's not the one we want. We want this one. There we go. Push, 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 push. Alright. We're gonna let that go for 10 minutes. Say 10. Okay. So next thing we're gonna do, rock's not an ingredient. We don't use rocks as ingredients. So next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make fruit. Say fruit. You wanna make, say blueberry? Say blueberry. Alright, we're gonna make some blueberries. You're gonna put them in the bowl. Alright, that's enough blueberries. Now we can say strawberry. You want strawberry? DJ, you put it in the bowl. Put it in the bowl. You can eat one. You want to eat one? Yum, 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 yum. All right. Go put it in the bowl. We got one more thing we got to put in. We gotta put in some banana. Can you say banana? No. Say banana. Da. That's not banana. What's this? Yeah, banana. You wanna help? You wanna help Daddy cut? Gotta be careful. Oh. You want to eat some banana? Come on. Let me get the rest of the banana. Alright. So we're done with the mixed fruit. Say all done. Say done. Okay. So now we gotta make some coffee. Can you say coffee? You say coffee? on, hot. This is coffee. Can you say coffee? Hold on. I'm gonna put this back on. Alright, so we gotta fill this with water. You wanna put water in this? Alright, let's see if the camera can see this. You gotta go turn it. We have the coffee pot in the sink. We're gonna put water in the coffee pot. On. Alright, push the button. This one. No. Push this button. One more. Alright, coffee's being made now. Alright, we're almost done. Now we can start on our Screwy Louie. That's nutmeg. Turn the camera. Alrighty, so the first ingredient is we need half a cup of flour. So let's get flour, half cup. Come on. Half a cup of flour. Oh, don't dump it. And then we need half a cup of milk. So we need a measuring cup. You gonna eat that flour? Come on. What? What are you doing?
Mama.
You don't dump it in there. Come on, go put it back on. Put on. Good job. All right, you gonna pour this in? Oh.
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yes, milk. All right, so now we need 3 eggs. Say 3. Tony, you want to do that one first? Yeah. There's 1. 2. Oh, let go. Let go. No, let go. Let go. You got egg all on the counter. One. Wait. One more. All right, let go. All right, we gotta wash your hands. All righty. The last thing, got one more thing we gotta do. Hold on. We need to put the nutmeg in. You want to shake this in? Shake. Good job. Alrighty. Don't dump it. Got one last thing. Gonna mix it until it's clumpy. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's mixing. You see? Alrighty. So now we gotta wait. So once the oven is done with this, which we have 13 seconds, DJ, we can take it out and put our butter in. You can see we prepped our pan with the butter. We just gotta melt the butter in the pan and then heat the oven to 375. Yeah, it's done. Oh, we gotta get a mutton. It's gonna be hot. Hot? Yep, hot. No, watch out, hot. Look at that, nice and golden brown. Yeah. All right. So now we got to do 375. No, this is 425. Hold on. Alrighty. So that's going to heat up to that temperature. And then we'll put this in here to melt the butter. We got to wait again. Looks like our coffee's being made. Oh, our recipe's getting wet. I have to let that dry out. So the next thing we're gonna do is once that melts, we're gonna pour this into the thing and we're gonna let it cook for 30 minutes and we will be back. All right, and with that, cooking with Roon Jr. is done. He is thoroughly enjoying his croissant. We have our screwy Louie done and cooked, our fruit and our croissants. We got some raspberry jam and we got some coffee. Thanks for watching. Bye.